That was fun. That was fun.
Next Level Blocks.
Alright, so today's video we're going to start off with studding my KTM. I'm going to stud the KTM and we're going to go for a little snow ride. We stud it here. I'm kind of low on the front, so I just did the middle. So I'm going to take a little test drive, see what happens. Let's check her out. We got some snow on the ground. Alright, so I want to try something new, something that I haven't seen done by any other vlogger in Philly. I decided to stud my dirt bike. Every time it snows, you have a bunch of quads out here, you know, showing off against the dirt bike guys and the boys and all that, you understand? So today, I'm gonna show y'all what you guys can do in order to ride your dirt bike in the snow. I can guarantee you, there hasn't been someone has done this in Philly. I have not seen one video. So I'm gonna go by the video. I have not seen one person do this. So if you know, you know. You already know how we do these videos. You already know how we did it. See? Now one person has came back here yet. So for, well, as far as the bike, all you see is footprints and all that, but no track marks here. Before, and I couldn't really actually ride in the snow. You guys have actually seen me do this hill too, so we're gonna try it with some snow. See how it feels. Whoop. A lot of sliding. We're gonna try that again. Whew. Okay, without studs, I would have never made it up. Just clarifying that. One of my favorite spots right here in Juliana. I'm not gonna be able to ride it fast. It's too slippery. But I'll try to gradually go through it. The front grip is amazing. Like, I honestly did not think that I was gonna have this much front grip on my tire, well, on my front tire. It's amazing. You actually don't feel like there's snow with the front tire. Now the back slips a good amount. Skelly's killing me right now. Alright, but yeah, you can hear the back spin. But honestly, the front is amazing. It's there. It's there. See, like I can see, turning. See right there? With a regular tire, I would have been on the floor by now. Hill climb. Let's try hill climb. If we're talking about grip, we gotta showcase it with some hill climbs, right? Come on, come on. There's a lot of ice there. That's what that means. I slid away. Oh yeah, this is on ice. I have to come a little bit hotter. Ice. It was just digging into the ice. Let's try it again. There you go. We gotta carry some momentum through. From brakes only. Ooh, perfect. Pretty good. From brakes only. That stop. Just to show y'all the grip. We're gonna need some acceleration on this one. Alright, we're gonna try to make it up this bitch. I don't know how. We're gonna try. Alright, let's try this again. There's so many stolen cars back here, man. It's crazy. Y'all really know how to mess up a good thing for people. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 over there. There's 6 on the top hill. There's fuel. It's all over the place. Vámonos ya, up is up, right? Up is up. Up is fucking up. Up is up. Traction as best as possible. Not trying to break traction. There's all type of trails. This is one back end right here. I like this one. Come on, grip, baby. That's all low RPM. Trying to grip. There you go.